Good morning, gorgeous. Today we're going to be doing an easy everyday look with affordable makeup. I picked up a new eyeshadow palette from ColourPop that is so beautiful. I also picked up some new lippies from them, as well as a new lippy from Maybelline. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And today we are going back to the drugstore. I love affordable makeup. I did a Sephora haul and woo, I spent a lot of money. But I'm happy to tell you in this video, everything is affordable, accessible, and fantastic for our mature skin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. How you doing? Okay, so I am super excited about this look. You guys, I picked up a beautiful eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. Does that sound right? A 10-pan eyeshadow palette called Twist of Slate. It's all neutrals. Yes, I know I'm boring, okay, but I couldn't resist. I know ColourPop comes out with so many eyeshadow palettes. It's mind-boggling. Once in a while, one of the eyeshadow palettes will call me. It wooed me. It definitely wooed me. It has 4 shimmers, 5 mattes, and a new cream formula of eyeshadow. So you know I wanted to check this out. I love neutrals. This is a cool tone eyeshadow palette. I've been really gravitating towards cool tone eyeshadows. I think it looks beautiful on the skin, but I can't wait to dive into an easy everyday look. And I mean easy. Now, I've already got my complexion products on. You guys, I've been absolutely loving, oh my gosh, 110% loving the Maybelline Green Edition Tinted Oil. It just lays so beautifully on the skin. It doesn't have any silicones. It is a clean makeup. It just provides the perfect amount of coverage on my complexion. It's smoothing, it's blurring. I don't know what's in this. It's magical. If you haven't tried this out yet, I highly recommend it. It retails for $11.99, and I've noticed, because I've been using it quite a bit, the medicine dropper, which you know I can't stand, it actually hasn't been as messy as the L'Oreal Tinted Nude Serum. So that's a bonus. Absolutely love this tinted oil. Don't let the word oil scare you. It just is beautiful on mature skin. And then for my under eye area, of course, I was a little peaked this morning. Okay, maybe I stayed up a little too late. I applied the MILANI Supercharged Hydrating Under Eye Tint. I'm in the shade 120 Peach. It just beautifully color corrects that under eye area when you haven't gotten enough sleep, but it hydrates at the same time. This is drugstore. It's maybe like $9.99. Oh my gosh. You can also use this on its own if you don't want to put on any makeup, but it just color corrects beautifully and just hydrates that dry under eye area as well. I highly recommend this as well. This is stunning, stunning product. And then for concealer, I went in with an old favorite, my MILANI Conceal and Perfect Concealer. You guys, this is long wearing. It's full coverage. It really brightens up that area, and you don't need a lot because you've already color corrected your eyes with this. Great combination. Oh, and then for bronzer, you guys, I've been so obsessed with the colorful contour from Sephora. I'm in the shade First Touch. I thought this was a blush, but then I realized, oh my Lanta, it is a contour. But this works beautifully as a bronzer. It lays on the skin beautifully. It doesn't pull too orange or too cool. It just has that beautiful pigment. It reminds me so much of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous little, for me, a bronzer. Okay, now on my eyes, I just have a little bit of concealer and we're ready to go with the ColourPop Twist of Slate. Oh, it retails for $16. And if you think about it mathematically, this is actually a really good price for a 10-pan eyeshadow palette. This is something you're going to pull from every day if you're a neutrals girl like me. But yeah, I'm excited to try this shade right through here. And the shade is called In the Stars, and it's a cream. So I'm just going to take the heat of my fingers and let's see how creamy it feels. I love a good cream eyeshadow. They're super easy to pop onto your eyes. Now it's probably going to pull really flesh tone, so maybe it'll be a good base, but it says here it is a medium coverage with a creamy sheen. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my eyelid and see how it looks. Maybe you can use it as your base, create a uniform look on your lid. It's actually really nice, very creamy, but not to the point where it's really greasy and it's not gonna like crease your eyeshadow. I'm just popping it on. Oh, that's pretty. This is really nice. If you don't want an elaborate eyeshadow look and you just want to pop this on, create a clean canvas, but with a tiny little bit of sheen, this is beautiful. I really like the formula. Oh, that's pretty. It brightened up my eyes. It doesn't feel greasy. It just creates nice medium coverage, like it said, with a nice creamy sheen. I love it. So if you want to just pop on one shade, this would be it. Throw on some mascara and you're good to go. But yeah, okay, so I'm excited. Woo! I'm going to check out the shade So Fated. So Faded. Not faded, but fated. I'm going to go ahead and pop it on my Angie 502 brush and see if there's, oh, that's actually not bad. And I'm just going to sweep it all over the lid on top of that cream eyeshadow and see how that lays. Okay, well, not a whole lot of pigment. This would be good to just set that color in place since it's so close to my skin tone. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to go into Take a Chance. I'm going to place it on the same brush. I'm going to go above my crease and create a transitional shade. And I'm going to pull it further into inner corner and create some more depth there. This is blending out beautifully. Let's place a little bit more. It's super easy. I love this. Now I'm going to take my BK204 and I'm going to take that same shade and just run it along my lower lash line. This color here, Sleep Over? Sleek Over. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. I'm going to swatch Sleek Over. Ooh, super deep. Love that. Night Vision. I need night vision at this point. I'm going to see what night vision looks like. That is like a true charcoal gray. I'm going to swatch it right through here. Let's swatch Cool Down. This is like a slate gray. I'm going to pop it right here. If you're looking for something different, cool tone eyeshadow palettes with creamy mattes, these are stunning. I'm going to take Night Vision on my A504. And I'm just going to place it on the outer thirds of my eye and stamp it. And see, oh, this is pretty. Isn't that beautiful? And then take it up. Zero fallout. This is so pretty. And what's great about this eyeshadow palette is you can easily go from day to night because you've got some beautiful shimmers up through here, but this is just going on very easy. Blending like a dream, so easy. And then run it along the lash line. Now I do have hooded eyes and my left eye is more hooded than my right eye. So I feel like my right eye is better. But my left eye, I do have trouble when I apply eyeshadow, especially in this corner right through here. I have to make sure I adjust. We want to create depth and shadow there. So it kind of evens out with my right eye. Super hooded, as you can see. Definitely when you're applying your eyeshadow, if you're following along with me and you want to create the same type of look, you have to adjust to what your eyes are like, if that makes any sense. Because I know my right eye is completely different from my left eye. So usually when I apply eyeshadow on this eye, super easy. This eye, this is, you know, my more hooded one. So I have to make adjustments. I'm going to go in with Sleek Over and just see if we can deepen it up. It's probably going to, hopefully it won't get too muddy. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, this totally reminds me how I used to wear my makeup in the 90s. And I'm going to pull it in. Ooh, we're getting a little dramatic here. Oh my Lanta. I'm going to go ahead and take a clean Angie A503 brush. I'm going to blend it all together. Wow, okay. I did not expect such a dramatic look today, but hey, it's all good. A little bit more dramatic than I expected, but hey, you know, easily transition into night. So let's swatch the shimmers. This is Mica. Ooh, buttery, pretty buttery. It's like a cool champagne shade. This is Mica. Okay. This is Fortunate One. That's pretty as well. Carbon. And to the Quarry. That's pretty too. So these are all the shimmers. Beautiful. I'm going to go into Carbon. I'm going to use my fingertip and I'm just going to tap it in. And then I'm just going to take the same brush and just blend out those harsh lines. And I think I want to add a little bit of warmth, a little bit. Take a little bit of mica and just pop it right in the center to really open up my eye. You want to place that pop of shimmer right above your iris so it really brightens up that eye area. And then again, blend it out. Super easy. Isn't that pretty? What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pop on my eyeliner and mascara, and then we're going to check out the new lippies from ColourPop, as well as the new Super Stay Vinyl Ink Longwear No Budge Liquid Lipsticks. Mascara and eyeliner on. I just went in with my absolute favorite Drugstore liquid eyeliner, the Hyper Easy, of course, from Maybelline. And then I've been really enjoying their Green Edition Mega Mousse Mascara. You guys, this is such a great mascara if you're looking for long, fluttery eyelashes that leave your lashes soft. At the end of the day, they're super easy to wash off. You can put on 2 coats. It's not going to get clumpy. It's not going to budge or smudge. Really love this mascara formula. And the one-tip applicator, super cool too. Gets all the lashes, lifts them up. Great formula. So let's get into the new Fresh Kiss lip creams from ColourPop. Now they came out with 4 shades and I picked up 2. I picked up Gone Graphite and Cornerstone. Now, every time I look at this bottle, I think it says French Kiss, but it says Fresh Kiss. Let's go ahead and swatch Cornerstone. And this is Gone Graphite. Let's see what this looks like. It kind of reminds me of chocolate frosting. This is Gone Graphite. Super deep shade. I think it's beautiful. It feels super light on the lips, comfortable, very smoothing, very hydrating. It's nice. Cornerstone. This is really pretty too. This is almost my own natural lip color, just a little deeper. If you have the same type of complexion as I do and you're looking for a very soft, comfortable lip cream, this is very flattering. I really like this. It's very natural looking. It feels great on the lips, but this is Cornerstone. Oh, I can see myself reaching for this if I want to give my lips a little bit of hydration and just deepen up that tone. This is lovely. Now, the last lip product I couldn't wait to share with you is brand new. It's from Maybelline. It is their Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink Longwear No Budge Liquid Lip Color. And I'm in the shade Cheeky. I love that. It comes in 10 shades. It retails anywhere from $9 to $12. The directions were super strange. I'm like, why do I need directions for a lipstick? But you have to shake it and listen. What is in there? What is in there? But let's open up Cheeky. Nice simple doe foot. Now this is supposed to be, oh, cat hair. This is supposed to be long wearing, no budge, liquid lip color. But let's go ahead and put on Cheeky. Okay, this definitely has a lighter feel to it, but this color is stunning. Definitely has a thinner formula than the Fresh Kiss from ColourPop. Love the shade. Are you kidding me? Cheeky? And this is supposed to be long wearing, no budge. I ain't gonna lie. The more I press my lips together, it's a little sticky, but that's probably due to the fact it's gonna be no budge, so it's probably setting on my lips. Oh, but this is so pretty. Wow. Which one did you prefer out of all 3 of them? Cornerstone, Gone Graphite, or Cheeky? I'll be honest with you, Cheeky is winning me over, for sure. There you are with the final look. What do you think, guys? Are you thinking about picking up the ColourPop Twist of Slate eyeshadow palette? I think for the money, $16, you get 5 mattes, 4 shimmers, and that beautiful cream eyeshadow. I think it's totally worth it. The pans are large. You're gonna pull from this every single day. It'll be super easy to do a simple everyday look and transition into a glamorous nighttime look. Beautiful. The formula was creamy. The shimmers were gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. And then the lippies, if I had to pick, you know what? I'm gonna go with the Maybelline, the new Maybelline Super Stay Vinyl Ink Longwear No Budge Liquid Lipstick. Cheeky is a gorgeous color. But I do also love the Fresh Kiss lip creams from ColourPop. They're $8 each. I love these deep, rich tones. These will be perfect for fall, but absolutely love how this look turned out today. But what do you think? So if you made it to the end of the video, Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and letting me share my goodies that I got for an affordable, easy, everyday look. But in my next upcoming video, I'm going to be doing some more affordable makeup, some skincare products, and diving into sunscreen. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of my family. And in case you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist right over here. But for now, mwah, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.